Hey guys, this is Jason and Payson with Explore More Adventures, and we're going on a Niagara Falls jet boat tour. Are you ready to rock and roll, buddy? All right, let's do it.
It's raining. I felt a raindrop.
Before you get you guys on the boats, I have to go over some safety stuff with you, along with some of our gear that we have for you guys today.
All right, let's go explore more.
Bleh.